The kettle takes 4 minutes to boil now. It used to take 2. The dishwasher is leaving a white film on every glass. The coffee maker is running slow and producing coffee that tastes flat. These are not appliance failures. They are not soap residue or worn heating elements. They are energy tax receipts. Each one is calcium carbonate scale insulating a heating element, and each millimeter of scale adds approximately 13% to the energy required to heat through it. Your kettle has a 2.3 millimeter scale layer. It is using 47% more electricity than it did when new. Every boil, every cycle, every coffee, you are paying for calcium carbonate to absorb your energy before the water does. Citric acid dissolves calcium carbonate in the same acid-base reaction as acetic acid, faster, at higher concentrations, and without the vinegar smell. It has been a certified food-safe descaling compound in FDA standards since 1941, used on dairy processing equipment, brewery tanks, and hospital food service lines. A pound of citric acid powder, $1.97. It treats your kettle, your dishwasher, your coffee maker, and your washing machine once each, with material remaining. The professional appliance descaling service charges $200 to apply a product that contains citric acid as its primary active ingredient. Professional appliance descaling service, $200. At technician cost, commercial descaling product, $8.47 at supply pricing. Labor, 40 minutes at technician field rate, $12.67. Travel and minimum service fee, $35. Total cost to deliver, $56.14. What they charge, $200. Margin, 256%. The professional descaling product at $47 retail, which they buy at $8.47, contains citric acid at 20 to 30% concentration, water, and a surfactant. The active compound? Citric acid. The $1.97 pound of citric acid powder from the grocery store baking aisle contains citric acid at 100% purity, diluted to 20% for application, 5 treatments per pound at 39 cents each. The professional product adds a surfactant worth 8 cents and charges $47. The energy cost math is the hidden invoice. A kettle with 2.3 millimeters of scale uses 47% more electricity per boil. At 12 cents per kilowatt hour and 2 boils per day at a 3 kilowatt element, scale-related energy waste is $0.038 per day above baseline, $13.87 per year per appliance. 4 appliances, $55.47 per year in scale-related energy waste. The $1.97 bag of citric acid pays for itself in 13 days. Here is the thermodynamics of scale and why it is costing you more than the service call. Calcium carbonate has a thermal conductivity of 2.1 watts per meter Kelvin. Stainless steel has a thermal conductivity of 14 watts per meter Kelvin. A scale layer on a heating element is 6 times less thermally conductive than the metal it coats. The heating element must reach a higher surface temperature to transfer the same heat flux through the scale layer to the water. The thermostat-controlled element compensates by running longer, until the sensor detects the target water temperature. 1 millimeter of calcium carbonate scale increases energy consumption by approximately 13%. 2 millimeters, 26%. 3 millimeters, 39%. Kettles in hard water areas above 200 parts per million accumulate 1 to 2 millimeters of scale per year without treatment. The chemistry of removal. Citric acid, C6H8O7, is a triprotic weak acid. It reacts with calcium carbonate to produce calcium citrate, water, and carbon dioxide. At 20% citric acid concentration in hot water above 60 degrees Celsius, the reaction dissolves residential kettle scale in 10 to 15 minutes. Citric acid's advantage over acetic acid for appliances. It does not leave an acetic odor in appliances used for food and beverages. The FDA approved citric acid as generally recognized as safe for food contact surface cleaning in 1941. It is chemically neutral in flavor when rinsed completely. Stop. The 1941 record. In 1941, the FDA included citric acid in its list of substances generally recognized as safe for use in food processing environments, including as a cleaning and descaling agent for food contact surfaces. The designation was driven by the dairy industry, which needed a non-toxic, odor-free acid that could safely descale milk pasteurization equipment without contaminating subsequent dairy batches. The dairy industry adopted citric acid descaling as its standard, clean-in-place protocol by 1945. Brewery operations adopted it by 1952. Hospital food service by 1958. Pharmaceutical manufacturing clean rooms by 1963. The compound has been used in high criticality descaling applications continuously since 1941. Its safety profile is documented across 80 years of food production use. Now, here's where it gets genuinely absurd. The branded appliance descaling products sold at $47 retail lists citric acid as the first ingredient on the product's label. The products are not hiding this. The consumer paying $200 for the service is paying $200 for citric acid, hot water, and a service technician's drive to their house. The $1.97 bag at the grocery store baking aisle is labeled citric acid. It is not labeled appliance descaler. The packaging difference generates a 16-fold price difference between the same active compound, depending on which aisle you're standing in. The honest scope. Citric acid descaling works on kettles, coffee makers, dishwashers, washing machine drums, ice makers, humidifiers, and any appliance with a water pathway exposed to hard water. It does not work on scale inside water heater tanks with depleted anode rods. Flush citric acid from the tank within 30 minutes if descaling a water heater to prevent acid contact with exposed steel. It is not safe for copper tubing at concentrations above 20%. Citric acid attacks copper surfaces at high concentration and extended contact. 1 pound. 4 appliances. 17 minutes combined. Kettle. Fill with water to the 1 liter mark. Add 2 tablespoons of citric acid powder. Boil. Allow to sit for 15 minutes after boiling. Empty, rinse 3 times with clean water. Coffee maker. Fill the water reservoir with 2 tablespoons of citric acid per liter of water. Run a full brew cycle. The solution passes through the heating element, pump, and group head, descaling the entire water pathway. Run 2 full clean water cycles to flush. Dishwasher. Empty the dishwasher. Place a cup filled with 2 tablespoons of citric acid powder on the top rack, not in the detergent dispenser. Run a full hot cycle. Run an empty rinse cycle after. Washing machine. Add 4 tablespoons of citric acid powder to the detergent drawer or directly to the drum. Run an empty hot cycle. Follow with 1 empty rinse cycle. Total cost per appliance treatment, 39 cents. Total annual cost at quarterly treatment for 4 appliances, $6.24. Energy savings at quarterly treatment, $43 to $55 annually. The appliance repair industry generates $47 billion annually. The FDA certified citric acid for food contact surface descaling in 1941. The professional descaling product lists it as ingredient 1. The grocery store bag costs $1.97. The service call costs $200. Tonight, fill your kettle. Look inside. White crust on the bottom. That is 47% extra electricity per boil, accumulating since the last time someone ran citric acid through it. Tell me in the comments, which appliance has the worst scale? And what's your water hardness level if you know it? Every kettle descaled tonight saves $13.87 per year in wasted electricity. The citric acid costs 39 cents. Next video. The inside walls of your shower are growing mildew between the tiles. The professional tile cleaning service charges $200 to scrub and seal what a $2.17 solution eliminates permanently without scrubbing. The chemistry has been in hospital infection control protocols since 1953, and the commercial product they use is prohibited from listing its active concentration on the label, for reasons that make the petitions in the spider video look subtle.